Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new. Today I'm very excited to be partnering with Merit Beauty, a clean, sustainable, new luxury makeup brand to create this minimal makeup look. They're all about the bare necessities when it comes to beauty, and it got me thinking about the bare necessities of our individual lives. I came up with a list of 7. First and foremost, we need our health. Biologically, thick, abundant hair is an indicator of good health. And thinking back to how the sperm brow trend of the 2000s was a thing, health is something that we might take for granted sometimes. It's something that's very important, but we might not realize just how important until it's gone. I'm using Merit's Brow 1980 pomade to do my eyebrows. My brows are more sparse, so I usually need to go in there with a brush or a pencil to make it fuller, and because this product is on a spoolie wand, I wasn't really expecting anything much from it. I was, however, pleasantly surprised when it gave me thicker, fuller brows without much effort. Next on the list is security, feeling safe. Knowing that we have food, water, and shelter, and that things are and will be a-okay. In this case, it's knowing that you've got a good base on your face that covers blemishes and evens out your complexion. Neither a foundation nor a concealer, but intended to replace both, the Minimalist Complexion Perfecting Stick is a wonderful creamy formula that you can put wherever you want. Usually my concealer settles into my wrinkles, but this doesn't do that, which I really appreciate. The one thing that differentiates living from merely surviving is having a driving force, a purpose. It's what makes you get out of bed every day and what you strive toward. Without a purpose, you're just surviving, and without a brush, I just have unblended streaks of makeup on my face. This blending brush is the only one you need for this minimal look. There's no point in having a calling if you don't have any energy to pursue it. There are different kinds of energy, physical, spiritual, emotional, and there are different ways to replenish each kind when they're running low. I think energy is perfectly represented by blush. I'm using Merit's Flush Balm, and it gives you a very natural flush that looks like you just kissed your crush for the first time or had a sip of hot chocolate on a cold day. They say this balm is meant to make you look like you're lit from within, and I can't put it in better words myself. Energy comes from within and it shows on the outside. Life is hard, a statement that is as obvious as the sky is blue. When times get tough, what gets us through is hope. Hope that things will get better and the hard times will end. Light at the end of the tunnel. This Day Glow Highlighting Balm to me is reminiscent of hope itself because of its illuminating nature. I love looking dewy, and because there's zero sparkle in it, you can use this to achieve a beautiful, natural glass skin look. The little things can make a big difference. Something as simple as there being nice weather outside, having a short conversation with a friend, or even finding my skincare routine particularly enjoyable on a certain day does a lot to make me feel happy. Especially in times like these, I've found it to be particularly important to find joy in the small things. When I first started wearing makeup, the only thing I really wore was a little bit of mascara, and from that I learned that something as little as mascara can really make a big difference in your look. I'm using the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara to accentuate my natural lashes, and because Merit doesn't have an eyeliner yet, I went ahead and took an angled brush, grabbed a little bit of product, and used it to give myself some liner, and it worked perfectly. And last on the list, but certainly not least, we have love. Love feels like the sun on your back on a chilly morning walk. It feels like a tight hug from a close friend, or kisses from a boyfriend or girlfriend. To me, love is red, like this Shade Slick lip oil. It's light and moisturizing, and you can even blot it off for a more natural look, but still retain the color. So, those were my 7 bare necessities, and here is the makeup look that I created with them. I loved how there were literally the bare minimum amount of products in this line. Whoever said you need 3 different products just to do your lips? I definitely see myself continuing to use these products, especially on days where I just want to keep it simple. In case you wanted to check out any of their products for yourself, I linked the website in the description box below. Please do let me know if you have any questions about the products, and I'll be sure to answer them if I can. So for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!